To remove bed cover, I unbolted and pulled towards the back end to get away from this bolt. Tailgate was removed. Come in here, take off these 6 bolts for the man step handle. Using a Torx T25 after the man step railing, I unclipped both of these little connectors to get these linkages off, which attach to your latches there. There are 2 bolts that hold the latch assembly in here, right there and there. Also holds the cable on, so that one's gonna have to go back on to support the tailgate after we get the latch out. It has the threads which keep the cable assembly on, and then you get your linkage off by just twisting out of this hole. Okay, I pulled those 2 linkages out and put the latches back in so I can keep my cables connected here. Now I'm gonna take off the man step. These 4 bolts here. The man step requires a socket and a Trex bit to hold it. And then I think this bolt here and there hold it as well because it's not coming loose. Okay, it is these little short fatties that hold in the man step on the bottom here. So now I can pull this whole assembly out. Pop these piece of shit rivets out of here. They'll probably break, the plastic rivets. And then those little black things in there are little retainers for this top bumper piece. I got it off that side without them breaking. That's what they look like there. But it is a bitch. Now we're going to take the door handle or the tailgate handle off with these 2 bolts here. That should free up the handle and this latching mechanism. Those 2 bolts took out the handle and that latch. There they are. So the only thing left is to take back off our main latches here and the cable assemblies and the backup camera. This one has 2 little latches and some sort of 3M or something adhesive tape behind it, but I just pried that off with a flathead screwdriver. Popped right off and it didn't actually break. Next up is taking off the camera. You got to take off this Ford emblem, a little groove right there to stick a screwdriver. Apparently these things have little clips that break off no matter what you do, so we'll find it off. One of them still has the keeper on it. The other one, it did break off. It's sitting in there, so I'm gonna have to see if I can get that out. But then you unscrew these 2 bolts to get the camera off. Okay, that's off. 2 bolts are off. Cable's going down. And if you look under the truck, you'll see a little connector right there. You gotta undo that to get the tailgate off. I actually undid the connection at the camera because I could not get that other one undone. So now we're gonna snake that back through and pull the tailgate off. Okay, these little keepers here, they're kind of anchored into the tailgate. That's how your camera attaches. I had to pry metal away to get those out so I could reuse them. Okay, so there's the old shell, completely undone, hinges I just need to pull loose. Got all the fasteners off. Just noticed for the man step handle, you got to pull these off. These are just little clip nuts. And put them on your new tailgate. I got this one from MBI Auto. Looks great. Looks like the same color. So hopefully everything fits. Get the old tailgate off, just rotate it 45 and pull that side out, and then it'll just slide out, right out. Some baling wire to go through here and out where the camera's gonna go, so you can tie that to your camera cable and just pull it through. Center keeper off of the bottom of your old tailgate. That was the sneaky one. Okay, out. And put it on the other side of your tailgate. That's gonna come off of there. It's on, you slide in the driver's side first, put that grommet in this side, slide her in. First thing I did was put these latches back on. So that sits nice and flat. Let's see if it, I'm not gonna close it because I don't have the handle on, but the camera and handle are next. Tailgate closed. Not completely flush, but close enough. Camera's on, decals in. All right, got the linkages in, man step handle on. Don't forget to put these linkages on before you fasten up the latches. Otherwise you'll end up taking them off like me. Man steps in, handles in. Finished product. Good. Pretty good. Put a link in the description on where to get these things. My only complaint so far is the paint seems a bit light. I mean, I just set this thing on the tailgate here to install it and lost a bit of paint, which I'm not that happy about. Overall though, I'll take it.